Samsung is back in the spotlight, and this time, all eyes are on its most ambitious foldable yet, the Galaxy Z Fold 8, which is rumored to launch in July 2026. For years, Samsung has led the foldable smartphone revolution, pushing boundaries with every generation. But the Galaxy Z Fold 8? This isn't just another upgrade, it's shaping up to be the boldest step forward in foldable technology. If leaks and reports are accurate, this device could redefine what we expect from premium smartphones, combining a brand new square design, stunning display innovation, powerhouse performance, and a camera system that rivals professional gear. Let's break it down in detail. A bold new square design, slimmest foldable ever. The most talked about change is the new square foldable format. Unlike its predecessors with taller, narrow displays, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 is expected to feature a 1.1 aspect ratio, giving users a perfectly balanced screen. Why does this matter? Multitasking becomes more natural, with split-screen apps fitting seamlessly. Gaming feels more immersive, as the square layout matches game UIs better. Media consumption gets a tablet-like feel without carrying a tablet. When folded, the Z Fold 8 may measure just 7.5mm thin, making it the slimmest foldable Samsung has ever made. That's thinner than most regular smartphones, a huge leap in engineering. On top of that, Samsung is reportedly improving its hinge system, working to eliminate the crease that has been the biggest complaint in foldables since day one. A sleek, crease-free display paired with stronger durability could finally deliver the foldable design fans have been dreaming about. This isn't just refinement. It's a complete design evolution. Cutting-edge display technology. Brightest ever Samsung has always been the king of displays, and the Z Fold 8 will show why. According to multiple leaks, a 6.5-inch outer display and a massive 8-inch inner OLED foldable panel. Both screens supporting a 120Hz refresh rate for ultra-smooth scrolling, animations, and gaming. A record-breaking 3000 nits peak brightness, making it one of the brightest foldables ever made. Samsung is also rumored to add a new protective ultra-thin glass layer to increase durability and reduce scratches. The much-debated under-display camera is set to return, providing a truly full-screen immersive experience without punch holes or notches. Whether you're outdoors in sunlight or watching HDR movies in the dark, this display will set a new standard in visual experience. Ultra camera system, 200MP powerhouse now. Let's talk about cameras, because Samsung isn't holding back here either. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 is rumored to borrow directly from the Galaxy Ultra series, with a 200MP primary sensor as its main star. But that's not all. Reports suggest a larger camera module housing up to 5 lenses, unlocking advanced features like superior zoom capabilities for crystal clear detail, enhanced low-light performance, perfect for night shots, cinematic-grade video recording, turning the foldable into a true content creation machine. And despite packing in this advanced camera system, Samsung has managed to keep the device slim, which is a remarkable engineering achievement. For vloggers, photographers, and video creators, the Z Fold 8 could be the most capable camera system ever on a foldable phone. Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2, pure performance under the hood. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 is expected to be a performance beast. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2, paired with 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM, this device will be built for power users. Storage options could go all the way up to 2TB, making it a dream for content creators and professionals who store large files. What does this mean in real-world use? Lag-free multitasking across multiple apps, console-like gaming performance on a foldable, AI-driven optimizations for smoother performance, smarter camera features, and better battery management. Next-gen connectivity with Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, and 5G, ensuring lightning-fast downloads and rock-solid connections. The Z Fold 8 isn't just powerful on paper. It's designed to deliver next-level productivity and entertainment. Battery life. That finally delivers battery life has always been a weak spot for foldables. But Samsung seems ready to fix that with a $5,000 mAh battery in the Galaxy Z Fold 8. Thanks to AI-powered optimizations, users can expect all-day battery life, even with heavy usage like streaming, gaming, or video editing. And while leaks don't confirm charging speeds yet, if Samsung adds faster charging support, this could be the most practical foldable yet for real-world usage. Pricing and market position, the $2,100 question. Now let's talk about the big one, price. Reports suggest the Z Fold 8 will launch at around $2,100, keeping it firmly in the ultra-premium flagship category. Yes, that's expensive, but when you consider a new slimmer, crease-free square design, a record-breaking display, a 200-megapixel pro-grade camera system, a Snapdragon Elite Gen 2 chip, and up to 2 TB storage, it's clear Samsung is aiming this at tech enthusiasts, professionals, and creators who want the absolute best in mobile technology. The bigger picture, future of foldables, the Z Fold 8 isn't launching in isolation. Competitors like Honor, Oppo, Xiaomi, and even Apple are rumored to be preparing their own foldables. Apple's first foldable, in particular, could shake the market. But here's the thing. Samsung has a massive head start. With years of experience, stronger supply chains, and display leadership, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 could set the benchmark that competitors will be forced to chase. This device isn't just about 2026, it's about shaping the future of smartphones. Samsung is preparing to once again shake the smartphone industry with its upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 8, rumored for a July 2026 launch. This next-gen foldable is expected to introduce a square 1.1 aspect ratio design, making it the slimmest foldable in Samsung's history at just 7.5 mm when folded. With an improved hinge system aimed at eliminating the crease, the Z Fold 8 could finally deliver the seamless foldable experience users have been waiting for. The device is also set to feature cutting-edge display technology, including a 6.5-inch cover display and a massive 8-inch inner OLED panel, both supporting 120 Hz refresh rates and reaching an incredible 3000 nits brightness. Combined with a protective ultra-thin glass layer and under-display camera, Samsung is raising the bar for durability and immersion. Photography enthusiasts will be impressed. With a 200-megapixel primary camera and up to 5 lenses for professional-grade photography and video recording. On the inside, the Z Fold 8 is expected to run on the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2, paired with 16GB RAM and storage options up to 2 TB, making it a powerhouse for productivity, gaming, and content creation. A 5000mAh battery, boosted by AI optimizations, ensures all-day use despite the massive displays. Priced around $2,100, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 is positioned as an ultra-premium device for those who want the very best in mobile technology. If leaks are accurate, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 could be the most advanced foldable ever built, setting new standards for design, performance, and innovation in the smartphone market. Final thoughts. A true game changer to sum it up. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 is shaping up to be Samsung's most ambitious foldable ever. Design, slimmest foldable yet with a square aspect ratio and crease-free hinge. Display, 120 Hz OLED with 3000 nits brightness and under-display camera. Cameras, 200-megapixel pro-level system with up to 5 lenses. Performance, Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 plus 16GB RAM plus up to 2 TB storage. Battery, 5000 mAh endurance with AI optimizations. Price, around $2,100, ultra-premium territory. If the leaks hold true, this won't just be another foldable phone. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 could be the device that redefines the entire smartphone industry, blending design, innovation, and performance in a way we've never seen before. Samsung is once again proving why it remains the leader in foldable technology.